You were me. That was a good song.
Yeah. Did you make it up?
Yeah.
I like it. How's it go?
You were me. That was fun. Maybe we'll play a game.
What game do you want to play?
Sing Happy Birthday.
Who are we going to sing happy birthday to?
Still.
To Stella?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to Sarah. Happy birthday to
you.
That was a good song.
That's a good song. Maybe if we sing happy birthday to Angus, he'll get born. You want to sing it to this baby?
No.
No.
What was this song?
What song?
Say hello.
Hello, everybody.
Your glass. Oh, they're my glasses.
Those are your glasses.
What do here?
Is that where they go?
Yeah. Hey. There's a foot in here.
A little bit, but not really.